Welcome to internet-tutors.org. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for the new video weekly updates. In this tutorial, I am going to teach you about difference between the SQL and the PL/SQL, which is very important for the interview point of view. So let's see the points of the first point, difference between SQL and PL/SQL. Full form of SQL is structured query language. Full form of PL/SQL is procedure structured query language. This is the first difference between SQL and the PL/SQL. In other words, one can define as PL/SQL is a procedure language extension to SQL. Means in the SQL, procedure language qualities are added to the SQL, which becomes PL/SQL. We will going to learn about CRUD operations, which will be applied on record rows of the database. CRUD stands for create, retrieve, update and delete. Later on the tutorial, we will going to see all these CRUD operations in the SQL. So second difference between SQL and the PL/SQL. In the SQL, we will going to see the single statement by executing the single query. In PL/SQL, we will going to see the multiple statements by executing. How to create a table employee. Create table name employee is there. Ename varchar 220. Ename is the column name is there. Varchar 220 is the data type. Employee ID is the column name and number is the data type. And department is the column name and varchar 220 is the data type. After that, so I have executed in this table, employee table, into the SQL developer. So see how I have written it, and once I execute the query, so I will get the output message that table employee created. How to insert values into the employee table? Insert into employee, ename employee ID, department, values Rahul 100,000. Means we are adding the ename is equal to Rahul, employee ID is equal to 100 and department is equal to manager. So here also I have executed this insert statement. Once the record has been inserted into the employee table, so it will be display the output one rows inserted. So I have inserted rows that is Rahul 100 and manager. So how to retrieve a records containing employee ID is equal to 100 in the employee table. Select star from employee where employee ID is equal to 100. Means it will be retrieving the employee ID is equal to 100 from the employee table. I have executed this query in the SQL developer. So our required output is Rahul 100 and manager. Create or replace procedure. Test procedure is begin DBMS output put line. Welcome to my tutorial. Int is that. So create or replace procedure. Procedure name is here test procedure, and it will be whatever the codes you are writing for the output, it will be displayed into the begin section. So once you execute the text procedure, it will be displayed at procedure text procedure compiled. Welcome to my tutorial. So whatever the DBMS output.put line you write in that string, it will be displayed as the output. Third difference between SQL and PL/SQL. SQL is called as a declarative. In other words, one can say it is a non-procedural. PL/SQL is called procedural. Declarative programming language emphasize on what to do instead how to do. For example, SQL will require the SQL query to retrieve all the information data in the term of rows according to the logic applied on the SQL query. Only particular rows information will be retrieved. It provide input instruction to the database. In the declarative programming language, one should procedure programming language emphasize on how to do. It provide input instruction to the database. Example, in the term of SQL, I can say that I want to eat paneer chilli. Means I want to only eat paneer chilli. But in the terms of SQL, how to cook paneer chilli, it will be emphasizes on how to cook. You have to take a stencil like pressure cooker, and please do not close your pressure cooker with lid while cooking. Ingredients like oil 2 to 3 spoons, paneer 500 grams, chili sauce 2 to 3 spoons, 2 to 3 Simla mirches should be small, pieces suitable for cooking, 2 pieces of onion which are also in small pieces, 5 pieces of red mirchis, green mirchis according to your requirement, 2 to 3 spoons of soya sauce, 2 to 3 spoons of tomato ketchup, 2 to 3 spoons of wheat flour and maida. Means these are the ingredients which is required to cook paneer chilli. So, example, in terms of SQL, one can say that how to cook paneer chilli. You have to take a utensil like pressure cooker, and please do not close your pressure cooker will lead while cooking. Ingredients like oil 2 to 3 spoons, paneer 500 gram, chili sauce 2 to 3 spoons, 2 to 3 Simla mirches should be small pieces suitable for cooking, 2 pieces of onion which are also in small pieces, 2 pieces of red mirches, green mirches according to your requirement, 2-3 spoons of soya sauce, 2 to 3 spoons of tomato ketchup, and 2-3 spoons of wheat flour and maida are required to cook paneer chilli. So this is the elaboration which I have discussed in this slide. Mix the paste of wheat flour and maida with salt and water. After that, small pieces of paneer are placed into that paste. Fry that paste for 5 to 15 minutes on the low flame. Once it is fried, place the water and mix remaining ingredients. Cook on the low flame for 10 minutes. After that, paneer chilli is ready to serve. This is the instruction you have to. By following this, you can cook paneer chilli, delicious paneer chilli you can make. The fifth difference between SQL and the PL/SQL. SQL is called as a low-level language. PL/SQL is called a high-level programming language due to the abstraction feature. This is the fifth difference between the SQL and PL/SQL. The sixth difference between SQL and the PL/SQL. Depending on the requirement, SQL can be used, insert, embed in the PL/SQL program. PL/SQL, depending on the requirement, it can be used, insert, embed in the SQL statement. Abstraction is the future of object-oriented programming. It hides complexity to the end user by hiding the unwanted details. Users are simply using the front-end application, but they are not aware about the programming language which has been used to build an application. Means, if you are going for the coffee, you just place a cup and the coffee will be pull out from the coffee container, but you are not aware about what are the ingredients which have been used in the coffee in order to make by the machine. The seventh difference between SQL and the PL/SQL. Work done or operation carried by a data engine. Data engine resides within DBMS. SQL engine is the kind of software that reads SQL commands and utilize SQL command to interact with relational database. Other name for the SQL database engine, data engine, SQL query engine, data server, DBMS. Oracle technologies are totally dependent on the data engine, which are considered as the fundamental block. In the PL/SQL, work done or operation carried by the interpreter. Interpreter is the kind of computer program which is used to execute program instruction passed by the high-level language. Programmer can understand the high-level language in the terms of source code. The computer machine can convert the high-level language into the machine language, a binary language, with the help of interpreter. In the SQL, it is used for writing queries for DDL, DVML, DCL and DQL statement. PL/SQL is used for writing program block, function, procedure, trigger and packages. SQL was developed by IBM in 1917. PL/SQL was developed by Oracle Corporation in 1990s. SQL has no variables. PL/SQL has variables. SQL has no loops and conditional statement like for, if and while. In other words, it does not support control structure. PL/SQL, it has loops and conditional statement like for, if and while, etc. In other words, it supports control structures. 13 difference between SQL and PL/SQL. Interaction with the database server is directly in SQL. Interaction with the database server is indirectly in PL/SQL. The 14 difference between SQL and the PL/SQL. SQL used to retrieve, manipulate the data. In other words, one can say as data-oriented language. PL/SQL, it is used to build application. In other words, one can say as an application-oriented language. 15 difference between SQL and the PL/SQL. It performs single operation. SQL can perform single operation. PL/SQL can perform multiple operation on the single block. And the 16 difference between the SQL and PL/SQL. It gives the system error message whenever any wrong transaction has been done. End user are unable to understand this error. PL/SQL, with the help of exceptional handling concept, it can convert the system error messages into user-friendly message. The 17 difference between SQL and the PL/SQL, it does not support the code reusability. PL/SQL support the code reusability.